Hope you are keeping well. This is welcoming you back to Visa Pathfinders channel. This is the unique channel providing you with relevant information, other infotainment and updates across the United Kingdom, United States of America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Switzerland, Asia including Singapore, Japan, Qatar, Kuwait and South Korea, the European Union such as France, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Malta, Luxembourg, Belgium, Portugal, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, among others. So, this is the right place to be. We are excited to be here and ready to always make your migration dream a possibility by. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos, and hit the all-important notification button so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And to all our amazing subscribers, we say thank you so much for being there always. Please share our videos with your friends, families, and loved ones and keep watching. Today we are talking about the free 5-year work visa for both semi-skilled and unskilled workers to work and live in Finland. Finland is a Nordic country in Northern Europe. It borders Sweden to the northwest, Norway to the north, and Russia to the east. Finland has a population of 5.6 million. Helsinki is the capital and largest city. Finnish and Swedish are the official languages. The country's currency is euros. Finland is a member of the European Union (EU) and belongs in the Schengen area, which also includes countries like Italy, Germany, France, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Portugal, Austria, Czech, Greece, Spain, Belgium, Poland, and Denmark. Are you aware that Finland offers a free 5-year work visa that you can obtain? Family members are welcome to come along, and as English is widely spoken, there won't be any communication problems. The majority of unfilled positions are for unskilled or semi-skilled workers, so there is no requirement to take the IELTS or any other language test. The monthly salary will be in the range of €2,000 and €4,000. Information on the 5-year work visa for Finland is provided in this article. Benefits of Finland work visa. One benefit of the work visa for Finland is the quick application process. However, processing times vary based on the kind of visa, the sheer number of entries, the length of time, the volume of applications submitted, etc. A Finnish visa is frequently issued in about 12 working days. The next advantage is the unpaid wage. Around €45,000 is the starting average yearly gross wage in Finland, which also includes holiday pay and other benefits. Senior roles in management and operations, however, are paid more. Another benefit is the term of the initial residency permit that is offered. A residency permit will be issued to you, allowing you to stay and work in Finland for a full year. You have an additional 4 years to renew it, giving you a total of 5 years to occupy the space. After 5 years of employment in Finland, you may also seek permanent residency. The majority of people undoubtedly find the advantages of the Schengen area to be the most alluring. Finland is one of the 26 European countries that make up the Schengen area. Thus, anyone from one of those 26 countries who has a visa, whether a tourist or work visa, can travel visa-free inside the Schengen Zone. Can you live in Finland as an English speaker? Finland's two principal official languages are Swedish and Finnish. Because Finland is a competitive and educated country, the majority of its citizens speak English as a second language and even enroll in English classes. Around 70% of people there can speak English fluently, and many foreigners are residing there on work and educational visas. Can your family members join you? In Finland, immigrants with valid work visas are allowed to travel accompanied by their spouses, children, and common-law partners. They have the option to start working in addition to joining you. You must show proof to the sponsor and provide financial support for each member of the family you intend to bring. You will therefore need to present evidence of your job offer, bank records, and details about your living situation. Requirements to have your visa stamped: you must have a valid passport. 2 passport-sized pictures and travel insurance also required. Furthermore, you shouldn't now be subject to any travel prohibitions to any European countries. In addition, your travel and flying schedule, which includes details on your lodging. If you are traveling on a tourist visa, you will need around €30 for each day you wish to stay as a tourist. What jobs can you get? Most of the high-demand jobs in Finland are found in the hospitality industry. There is a great demand for jobs in cleaning, cooking, nursing, caregiving, dishwashing, etc. The top websites for applying for jobs include Google, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and Jobly.fi. You can apply for jobs on these websites from within Finland or even from outside. How to use a CV and cover letter customized for Finland when applying for any position. You can utilize the Enter Finland portal to apply for a residence permit that will enable you to live and work in Finland after receiving a job offer. You must visit a nearby Finnish diplomatic mission after submitting your application online to provide the original copies of your documents, any necessary supporting documents, photos, and fingerprints. And that draws the curtain on the stunning news from Finland, where the free 5-year work visa for both semi-skilled and unskilled workers to work and live in Finland have been rolled out. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us at visapathfinders@gmail.com and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.